Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to cut and sew a puff sleeve. It's a 2-in-1 sleeve. So I'm going to attach how to cut the basic bodice pattern. So you go to the description box below and click on it and watch if you don't know how to cut a basic sleeve. So I'm measuring the basic sleeve now. I'm taking 23 inches plus 2 inches allowance. I'll come here and measure 5 inches. Then I'll connect it this way. This is the basic sleeve. I'm drafting the basic sleeve now. So I'll measure here. This is 11 inches. I'll take half of it. That's the midpoint of it, which is 5.5 inches. Then I'll connect it this way. I'll connect it this way. You can use a free hand to connect it. If you don't have the curve ruler, the armhole curve ruler, use your free hand and connect it. This is how I'm connecting it. So I'll come here and measure 8 inches plus 1 inch for allowance. I'll connect it this way. It's the basic sleeve. So I'm cutting it out now. So I'm going to place the pattern on the fabric and cut. I'll place it this way and cut it off. So I'm placing it like this and cut. This puff sleeve is 2-in-1 puff. So that's the pattern there. So this sleeve now is 22 inches. So I'm going to take half of it plus half inch, which is 11 inches. Don't use marker on your fabric. This is just a fabric for illustration. I'm not going to use it. Instead of you using marker, use your tailor's chalk. So this is my basic sleeve now. The puff will start from here. I'm going to cut another material that I'm going to use for the puff sleeve. So please watch it carefully. I folded the material into two. I'm cutting a triangular shape. This is a triangular shape. This is how the downside is. So what I'm going to do, I'll place it this way. I want to get the top side of it. So this is how I'm going to measure 18 inches. I'll take it to the end. I'm not going to trace the cap side yet. This one I'll finish. That's when I'm going to place it. Just watch and see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to open it up this way. I'll get the center of it. Here I'm going to measure the center of it too. 9.5 is my center. I've already measured my center too. So I'm going to place it. I'm going to place it this way. When I finish plating, that's when I'm going to sew on the machine. I'm making a pleat. So I've done pinning the fabric on the basic bodies. I use pin to secure it. So I want to sew it this way. So when I finish sewing, I'll let you see. So I want to start sewing it now. When I finish sewing, I'm going to show it to you. So I've done sewing this side. I've done pinning this side also. I secure it with a pin. I brought out this other side from this side and fold it to this side and pin it. As you can see how it is. So I'm going to trim off the excess. Remember, it's a puff sleeve, 2-in-1 sleeve. So I'm cutting out the excess now. Then after that, I will sew it. I want to start sewing it now. So I'll start sewing it. This is the outcome of it. I've joined this side, the sleeve side, the cap side. I've joined it. I've sewn it. This is how the sleeve look like. So now I'm going to push this one inside. I'll measure it now. Where is it? So I want to take the measurement, the final measurement. Here I'm going to mark 6.5 inches. Here I'm going to mark 9 inches. Then I'll sew it to the end. So I'm trimming out the excess. Then I want to see the final look of it. I use a net in turning it. I'm going to sample it this way. I'm using nets. Two in one sleeve. So this is the outcome of the puff sleeve, two in one sleeve. This is the puff this way. As you can see, I'm using net. I did not use material, just net. But it came out very well, came out very neat. So this is how to sew it. You can use a fabric and sew it. This one is just for illustration purpose. This is the sleeve here. Maybe I can put it on in my hand so that I can see how it's going to look like. I've just finished placing it on the dummy. Let me use my hand. So this is how it looks like. So try your own, try it out. This is how it comes out. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Try and sew your own. It's very easy and very simple to make. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much. Bye.